Look, this for all my boss days. Go through your boss days. Loving how you boss, babe. This for all my dreamers and my doers and all the entrepreneurs. Just believe in what you're doing and pursue it. Look, this for all my boss days. Go through your boss days.
We outside, baby. It is spring 2025. Spring is the season associated with cleaning. So if you're not making money right now, you are doing something wrong, man. Right now, for the rest of the month, I am doing 40% off of my consultation. So if your cleaning business is struggling, you're not making money during spring cleaning season, then get some advice, get some consultation, hit the link in the description, and come talk to your boy, man. We'll get you situated. The sun feels so good. Esther says, just tuning in for commercial. Do you recommend cold calls or cold emails? I need to make $10K a month. I recently quit my tech job and I'm diving in on this business. So, well, emails you can, like, they're like instant. That's digital. You can do as many emails as you possibly can. If you need to make 10K a month quick, I would say there's no way quicker to make 10K than to be cold calling, especially if you don't have a ad budget saved up, like from your tech job that you had. If you have some ad dollars, then cool. Yeah, then set up your website, set up your SEO and conversion tracking, get some good creative and run with it and see if you can get some conversions. And then once you have some conversions, and you scale on top of that to get to your 10K a month. But if you're not in that position where you have that extra $30,000-$40,000 laying around to just build straight to 10K a month, then cold calling is the number one way to do that. Cold calling is the number one way to do that. It's gonna be the quickest way to 10K. What's driving the business in your city? What's driving the business in your state? What's driving the economy around where you are? And some things will start to come to you. So yeah, big things that you can see. Huge skyrise buildings, Class A skyrise buildings. Hospitals are huge if you want to go into that route. There's a lot of things that are big, that are huge accounts. You kind of have to just be creative and use your wits. Who can use your service? Who can use this? Who can use this cleaning? What type of industry can use this cleaning? Don't limit yourself to just an office, or to just it's one, like a smaller type of cleaning. Really use your mind. If you use your head, you can think of things that need cleaning every single day and that are also like huge spaces or huge companies, if that's what you want to go after. As it says, I have a website, Google business page. I recently learned about instantly to cold emails, but curious your thoughts on this. Yeah, I'm not sure. I don't know about instantly. I don't think that's not a platform that I'm familiar with. But like I said, cold calling, email, it's a skill. It's a skill just like going door to door and selling somebody. That's a skill. It's a skill just like being able to create amazing graphic designs. It's a skill just like being able to know all the technical ins and outs of media buying. Or a skill just like being able to record nice video or take nice pictures and create nice ad creative or write nice copy. Those are all skills that you have to be good at. So I think easy is it's a matter of like from person to person. What's easier for you? Are you good at art? Are you good at writing? Are you good at taking pictures? Are you good at talking to people? Are you good at, are you empathetic? Are you outgoing and charismatic? Are you good looking? It's going to be something that's person to person. I don't think any one particular thing is better than the other, because I've seen wild and crazy success from each of these avenues. Like another YouTuber down in Oregon, I can't remember. I don't want to get this wrong and mix him up with another one. I'm pretty sure it's Service Industry Podcast. Go look him up. He's been doing this for a long time, but he started off, I believe, as a window cleaner. But he built his company to multiple millions in revenue with postcards, with mailers. I would never attempt to do that. Not in my wildest dreams do I think I could have success doing that. So I would either be forced to hire someone like him and hope that it goes well, but that's not something that I believe that I would ever be good at, is making postcards profitable for my business, or any business for that matter, because it's just not a skill that I am confident with in myself. But that's how everything is going to be with email, social media. Anything you do is going to have that level of skill in it. Demon Jack Gaming says, I want to make a website for my business. Do you know any trustworthy person who can help me with this in minimum charges? I mean, you can always go to a freelance website, the Fiverrs, the Upworks, and stuff like that, and see if you can find a match and interview some people, and see if you can find someone that way. But I would suggest just don't use something that you can't go and make changes to, and that you can't go and own yourself. If you can't log into it, like, you don't own it. So I wouldn't have someone just completely make it for you. I would sign up to a platform and then hire someone to work on that platform for you underneath you know, give them access to the website in order to make changes. But definitely create something that you own, that you have access to, and quite frankly, something that you know how to use. So don't try to go and get too fancy before you're able to. Don't try to have a, you know, super extravagant WordPress website, you know, when you could and never know how to do and make any changes, when you probably could just go to like Wix or Squarespace, something that's more drag and drop, and have an easier time and be able to make changes yourself and do things yourself. Boss fam, really quick, you have got to start automating your sales process. I know you love your cleaning business, this is your baby, but you can't do everything. You're trying to run a business here, so automate your sales process so that you can have more time to close deals and grow your cleaning business. That's what you're supposed to be doing. You're the CEO, you're the owner, so you are responsible for growing the business, not doing all those small day-to-day tasks. And if you don't know how to automate your sales process, I have a guide, so go in the link in the description and download the guide. That way you can start automating the sales process and start growing your business and working on your business instead of in it. Love you guys. Keep that boss mentality.